welcome YouTube, and welcome back to all my Buster buddies. I am your big kahuna here, Brad, and this is Brad's Boredom Busters, your textile art channel. This is the channel where we have fun with fabric. Hey, this is going to be a special episode. It's been a while since I've done one of my tricks and hacks videos. Well, I've got a good one for you today. Hey, I've been hearing on some of the other tie-dye channels that, like Stephanie from Belladonna Dye, she uses a microwave splatter guard to help tie up her spirals, but she says that those are no longer available, and I've heard that from other YouTubers as well. So I got thinking, it's like, hey, is there some sort of alternative out there? Well, I found an alternative. I found this at my Dollar Tree store. And I know Dollar Tree may not be across the whole country. You have Dollar General, the 99-cent store, but they're all going to carry something very similar to this. And this is it. It's a plastic plate cover. And so it doesn't have a hole in the middle of it, but the plastic feels thin enough where we can cut a hole into it ourselves. So basically, this video is going to be about a DIY spiral tool. And so that's what I'm going to do next. I'm going to take this plate cover and we'll cut a hole in it and then try it out on a shirt. So you need to get yourself one of the plastic plate covers and then also a white cotton t-shirt, pre-washed and then soaked in soda ash water for 20 minutes. Spun out in your wash machine so it's slightly damp and ready to be folded up. I've got mine on my work table all waiting and ready. So let's go ahead and cut our hole in this and then try it. All right, let me get set up and we'll get this cut out. Okay, Busters, so the other tool you're going to need for this job is a utility knife, X-Acto hobby knife, box cutter, anything sharp that you can cut a hole in this. We're not cutting a very big hole. It just has to be big enough to fit our hemostat into when we do the spiral. So just, you know, about an inch square. Doesn't even have to be round. All right, let's get the label off. Yeah, all right. Don't need that anymore. And now let's get this trimmed. Like I say, not a very big hole, just enough for our hemostat to fit into. We're getting a little cracking, but it shouldn't hurt anything. All right, so there's our hole to fit the hemostat into. So now let's take this over to the table and try it on our shirt. So let me get set up over there and we'll see you at the work table. All right, Buster, so here's my shirt. Mine's all prepped, so it's just slightly damp. So I've got our spiral tool ready to go. So let's pick a place just kind of even to just below the underarms. Set it right like that. And, oh, and I turned the shirt inside out. That's the way I like to work on it. So let's get the hemostat in. And let's see how this spirals up. See if it makes a nice, clean, tight spiral. pretty nice spiral. I have never worked with the microwave splatter guard that other tie-dyers use, so I don't know how much, how heavy it is, but this is pretty lightweight. And so you saw I was kind of holding it down. I think that helps a little bit to keep the folds at a similar level. So just a little bit of for your information. You use it however you feel comfortable, but I think if you just put a little pressure on top of it, it keeps the folds of the spiral from popping up. This keeps it all kind of the same elevation as best as possible. All right, so that looks really good. I think what I'm going to do is actually put masking tape around this just to hold it in place, and then I am going to liquid dye this in rainbow colors. So let me grab my tape and then I'll get set up for the dye. All right, got my tape. Let's get this secured. All right, so because it's damp, the tape doesn't, really adhere to it very well. So grab one of these little clips if you have it, or even a paper clip, just to kind of hold that in place while you're getting this secured, because you do want to kind of pull it a little tight just to keep the spiral nice and compact. Okay, so there's our spiral. Let me go get all my dye and my rack and everything ready here, and then we'll get this dyed up. I'll see you in a second. Okay, Busters, here we are all set up for our dyeing process. So the colors I'm going to use, let me run through those really quick here. So we're going to be using Chinese red, orange sorbet, bright yellow, lime pop, and then a combination of mostly robin's egg blue and electric blue, lavender, and deep purple. So we're going for a rainbow effect here. All right, so enjoy the music and you can watch me dye. Okay, there you go, Busters. That's our spiral. So this will go in the curing tub for 24 hours. And then after that, I'll take it out to the laundry sink and we'll do a cold rinse to help get the excess soda ash out, and then a hot rinse to get any dye that hasn't bonded with the shirt yet out. And then it'll go in a hot water wash with detergent and Curelon, which is a textile detergent that I get from Dharma Trading Company. And after it's washed and dried, we'll bring it back here for a reveal to see how well our new DIY spiral tool works. It looks pretty good so far. We'll see what it looks like at the reveal. We'll see you then. Okay, Busters. So, hey, our DIY spiral tool worked out really nice. We got really nice definition of our spiral. You can tell we had very nice and defined pleats in our spiral. Yeah, that lid worked out just great. So, hey, go to your local Dollar Tree or dollar store, pick up one of these plastic plate lids, and hey, you got yourself a nice homemade spiral tool. And the shirt came out great. Colors are nice, great definition, good saturation. Happy all around with this project. Hey, if you like this one, give me a thumbs up. Yeah, leave a comment. Like to hear it. I want to hear what you think about it. And, you know, share my videos around and subscribe if you haven't. All right, hey, let's head over to the desk for a sign off. Thanks for watching. All right, Busters, that project came out really cool. Hey, I hope you learned something new on this project. Hey, if you really liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming projects. And hey, if you really want to help out my channel, go to my Buy Me a Coffee page and buy me a coffee. That really helps me out. Hey, all right, thanks for watching. Love you all, folks. Peace out, baby, and go bust out some art.